Welcome to Navigator Through Reality Workshop, a master training that offers a map to this reality. 1622 to June 2025, in an exquisite place, in Bralgei Mountains. Bring out the navigator in you, through this reality. Once upon a time you decided to come to this beautiful realm, but you forgot the user manual. I will help you remember. You will get our reality user manual and navigation mode, the game that we call life. Time and consciousness. Adventure awaits you. What is Navigator Through Reality 3.0? A practical and theoretical workshop for the curious and seekers. You get physical, emotional, and mental codes, programs, techniques, keys, and skills. You need energy. You need speed. You need perception. And a lot of experience to succeed. Adventure awaits. We have been led to believe that we are at the top of the food chain. We are not. If you're not at the table, you're definitely on the menu. Learn energy, speed, perception, and experience. Always follow the energy and you will find the truth. Avoid traps and unnecessary energy losses. The problem is that if you don't know the rules of the game, you are played instead of playing the game yourself. I intend to share with you my experience and knowledge related to navigating this reality jungle. Be a navigator. I will give you the keys of reality. Register now on Bralgei.com.